Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Lofi theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. You need to click on that and you need to update your Messenger application first. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, you simply need to select any random conversation. From here, you need to click on this icon and click on theme. Scroll down and you need to search for the Lofi theme. So here you can see you simply need to select that. Click on select again. So now you can see that Lofi theme is activated on this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.